Good day everyone, I'm Kristel Cassandra and today we will discuss about nanoscience and nanotechnology. So what is nanoscience and nanotechnology? It is the study and application of an extremely small particles. So from the word nano, it is so small that cannot perceive by our eyes or even with the help of microscopes. And nanotechnology can be used across all scientific fields such as biology, physics, engineering, and chemistry. So, who developed the concept of nanotechnology? In 1959, the American physicist Richard Feynman introduced the concept of nanotechnology during his lecture at the American Physical Society meeting. And discussed niya doon yung possibility na manipulate and ma-arrange yung individual atoms and molecules para makakreate ng new materials and devices. So, pagdating naman noong 1974, si Norio Taniguchi, isang professor sa Tokyo University of Science, is pinangalanan niya yung concept na ginawa ni Richard Feynman as nanotechnology. And dinefine niya yon as the processing of separation and consolidation and deformation of materials by one atom or one molecule. In 1981, may two microscope na nagbigay daan para ma-facilitate yung exploration sa nanotechnology, which is yung scanning tunneling microscope and atomic force microscope. So, yung scanning tunneling microscope or yung STM is meron siyang ultra-high resolution that can image single atom. And yung instrument na to is na ina-allowed niya yung mga scientists na makita yung world na hindi pa nila nakikita dati, which is yung world of nanoscale. And many people believe that the invention of STM is the birth of the nanoscale. Next naman po is yung atomic force microscope. So yung AFM daw po is a powerful technique that can image almost any surface including ceramics, polymers, composites, glass, and any biological samples. And yung AFM daw po is ginagamit siya para ma-measure and ma-localize yung iba't ibang forces, kagaya ng adhesion strength, magnetic forces, and mechanical properties. Now, let's proceed to the some facts in nanoscience and nanotechnology. So, it said that everything in this planet is made up of atoms which cannot be seen even by microscopes. So, kaya mas maganda na dapat meron tayong comparison kung gaano ba kaliit yung nanotechnology. So, meron tayo ditong 5 comparison about nanotechnology. So, una is yung isang inch daw has 25,400,000 nanometers. Pangalawa is yung thickness daw ng paper has around 100,000 nanometers. Next is yung strand daw ng human DNA has a diameter of 2.5 nanometers. Next is yung human hair daw natin has around of 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers. Last is yung 1 nanometer is yung haba ng fingernail natin na nag-grows in a second. So, yun lang po. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laisa Losala from Science major, and next po, I will going to discuss the application of nanotechnology and medicine. So first po, let's talk about the application of nanotechnology. So currently, scientists and engineers are actively researching method to fabricate materials at the nanoscales. This advancement holds significant potential to modify or improve enhance the characteristic of elements at the nanoscales, potentially leading to improve the material strength, heighten the chemical reaction, and enhance utilization of nanomaterials in our surroundings. So, nanotube, graphene, dendrimers, fullerene, nanofibers, Buckminster fullerene are those the example of nanomaterials. For example, sa nanotube po, ginagamit siya for bulletproof vest, or one of the made of nanotube is carbon nanotube body armor. Sa graphene naman po, ginagamit siya for sensing and modulating neuronal activity in vitro and in vivo. Sa dendrimers naman, ginagamit siya for coating and sa ink. Sa fullerene naman, ginagamit siya for applications in catalysis and sa pharmaceuticals. Nanofibers naman, ginagamit siya for fabric industry. So, nanomaterials is used for or added to clothes, cements, and other materials to make them stronger and yet lighter. So, nanotechnology and medicine, or nanotechnology and medicine. So, a field of medical science kung saan naging possible is because of nanorobots and nano-engineer device. So, what is nanorobots po? Nanorobots are tiny machines at the nanoscale designed to perform specific tasks at the molecular and a cellular level. So, application of nanotechnology and medicine is also known as nanomedicine. This involved the application of nanomaterials and medical technology na mahusay po na nagbibigay ng mas malalim na pag-unawa sa mga issue po ng toxicity and effect nito sa atin at sa ating kapaligiran. So, one of the good thing about nanotechnology is it can implant sa ating katawan because it is less invasive and napakaliit po nito. You also provide new option for drugs delivery and drugs therapy. So, sinasabi din po na kaya nito malocalize ang exact na location ng ating sakit, like for example, tumor or cancer. Then, after na malocalize ang exact na location ng ating sakit, maaari na po siyang mag-release ng pang-cure para pamatay sa tumor or cancer or sa kahit anumang uri ng sakit. The current treatment po is through radiotherapy and chemotherapy. So, sinasabi din po na ang mga nanorobots is maaring tanggal ng bara sa ating mga arteries nang sa ganon is bumalik sa normal na daloy ng dugo ang ating katawan. And lastly po, the importance of nanotechnology and medicine is it helps to resolve the problems, focus on treatment administration, reduces the danger of side effects, and maximizes the therapeutic effectiveness. So, therapeutic po means relating to the healing of diseases. That's all po. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Mae Naranjo. Today, I'm going to discuss about what is nanobiotechnology, the application of nanotechnology in agriculture, and green technology. First, I will discuss about what is nanobiotechnology. Yung nanobiotechnology is nakakatulong po siya sa replacing or restoring damage or missing cell, tissue, organs, and body parts to full function. For example is the growing of organs outside the body, and later on po ilalagay nila or ililipat po nila kung sino man po yung nangangailangan na to. For example, yung may sakit sa puso, sa kidney. And another example po ng application ng nanobiotechnology is yung sa diagnostic tool. Yung dito po is yung nanoparticles is nakakatulong po siya ma-detect yung cancer cell habang maaga pa or namomonitor niya po yung progression ng isang sakit. Sa drug delivery naman po, dito po is yung mas naging effective po yung drug delivery method and nabawasan po yung side effect and napa-improve po nila yung treatment sa sakit na kagaya po ng cancer, diabetes, and madami pa pong iba. And next po is yung sa gene therapy. Dito po sa gene therapy, instead of using drug or surgery, ang ginagawa nila is yung genetic makeup. So dito po is na-prevent po nila yung disease by correcting underlying genetic problem. The application of nanotechnology in agriculture. Through nanotechnology, scientists made a little things that are too small to see with our eye, and it can kill bugs and help plants to grow. By using of this, na-solve po yung problems ng mga farmer. Nanotechnology is a new and better way to get the plants the nutrients they need. For example, we can use nanotechnology to make fertilizer that are easier for plant to use. Yung example nito is yung nano-cover. Nano-cover is a good fertilizer. Why? Because it gives nutrients and protect them from disease. Next is yung nano-nitrogen. And isang klase din po siya ng fertilizer na nakakapatay ng damo without harming the crops. And then yung last, yung nanotechnology, nakakatulong din po siya para po to keep food fresh longer. Green nanotechnology is application of nanotechnology and environmentally sustainable manner and focusing on minimizing the impact of environment and human health. The products of nanotechnology is not only to ensure the sustainability but also to create nanoproducts to promote sustainability. Because of that, kino-consider nila yung green nanotechnology is a clean technology. Yung example po ng green nanotechnology is yung clean energy production. Yung clean energy production, yung example nito is yung solar energy. Yung solar energy is yung nanggagaling lang po yung energy sa sunlight. And next naman po yung sa water purification. Yung sa water purification, yung nanoparticles is nakakatulong po siya mag-remove ng pollutants and contaminants from water sources. Sa agriculture naman is reducing the amount of chemical needed and minimizing the environmental pollution. Yung benefits po ng green nanotechnology, yung una is reduce the environmental impact. Bakit? Kasi nga, sabi ko kanina is, binabawasan po nila yung paggamit ng mga toxic chemical or hindi po sila gumagamit ng toxic chemical. And then is, yung next is yung improve the product safety. So, dahil hindi sila gumagamit ng mga toxic chemical is yung nagiging safe po yung mga products. And last is yung promote sustainable development. For conclusion, the application of nanotechnology can increase crops productivity while reducing the environmental pollution.
Good day, everyone. I am Nedelyn Favila, and I will be discussing the nanoelectronics as well as the nanotechnology in warfare. So, what is nanoelectronics? Nanoelectronics refers to the use of nanotechnology in electronic components. So, which means that nanotechnology, which deals with materials and structures at the nanoscale or a very tiny dimensions, is applied in creating and improving electronic parts and devices. So, ang field po na ito is nagfo-focus sa pag-utilize ng nanomaterials and techniques to develop smaller, more advanced, and high-performance electronic components. Katulad na lamang po ng transistors, circuits, at iba pang elements na ginagamit sa electronic systems. So, nanotechnology is one of the major technologies of the nanotechnology. Meaning, ang nanoelectronics po is nag-hold ng significant importance within the broader field of nanotechnology. It highlights that within nanotechnology, nanoelectronics is a key area that focus specifically sa pag-a-apply ng nanoscale principles and materials to design and enhance electronic devices and systems. So atomic interactions and quantum mechanical properties make the workings on these devices possible. So meaning through atomic interactions and the properties dictated by quantum mechanics, ang creation at operation ng mga devices sa nanoelectronics ay nagiging achievable. So the main aim of nanoelectronics is to reduce size, risk factor, and surface areas of the materials. Meaning, by focusing at the nanoscale, ang aim po nitong nanoelectronics ay mag-create ng smaller components leading to more compact devices. So, aside from that, ang pag-reduce ng surface area ng materials na ginagamit sa mga electronic device can bring advantages such as lower power consumption and enhance overall reliability and functionality of the devices. So, nanotechnology and warfare. So, the application of nanotechnology in the field of warfare made greater advancements and weaponization. So, meaning tumutukoy ito sa kung paano ang paggamit ng nanotechnology into military context ay nagli-lead to significant improvements and developments in creating more powerful and efficient weapon. So, ang nanotechnology po ay nagbibigay daan sa kakayahan na mag-design at mag-produce ng mga weapons with enhanced precision, increased potency, and new functionalities dahil sa manipulation at paggamit ng materials at the nanoscale level. So, nanoweapons through nanotechnology are used to produce hyperreactive explosives and small robotic machines. So meaning, ang nanoweapons refers to tiny weapons na nakikreate gamit ang nanotechnology which deals with really small stuff. Katulad na lamang po ng pagmamanipulate ng molecules at ng atoms. So ang mga weapons po na ito ay ginagamit itong technology ito para mag-create ng super reactive na pampasabog at mga tiny robots that can damage in a very precise and controlled way. So, nanotechnology as it being utilized for the advancements of warfare comes with greater threat to international threat. So, nanotechnology which deals with super tiny things is being used to make weapons for war. So, pero ang paggamit po ng technology ito in warfare ay nagko-cause ng malaking problema or danger sa mga bansa sa buong mundo. So, that's all po and thank you for listening.